Katie Price is at the center of a new legal row with her ex-husbands over a planned tell-all documentary. The show, due to air next year, is set to spill the beans on her relationships, according to TV insiders. Kieran Hayler, 38, and Reid, 50, are consulting lawyers to try to block the film from featuring them. The pair are in contact via an intermediary, as both are said to be aghast at the prospect of Katie talking. A source said, "They feel like they have been backed into a corner and have no choice. They just want her to stop trashing them, and can't believe she is being given a platform." It comes after Katie was left unable to complete basic functions after latest facial surgeries. Lawyers for Katie's first husband, Peter Andre, were already on red alert even before news of the planned documentary surfaced last week. It comes as Peter, 52, released a statement blasting his ex-wife's lies. Asked about the show, an insider close to the Australian singer said, his lawyers will be keeping a close eye on all things moving forward in terms of what Kate says or does. The three-part series is reportedly being made by Louis Theroux's production company Minehouse and put out by Sky. A strongly worded legal letter is being prepared on behalf of Kieran and Alex, urging the broadcaster to reconsider airing it. A spokesman for Kieran said, "We are keeping all our options open. I can confirm Reid is on the same page." A TV insider claimed this week that the autobiographical show would likely spill the beans on Katie's many flings and love affairs and would be the most authentic version of her story. But a source close to Kieran said, "Enough is enough. They want to move on with their lives, and they can't trust anything that comes out her mouth." Katie and Kieran were married from 2013 to 2021. They had two kids, Jet, now 12, and Bunny, 11. Former cage fighter Alex wed the ex-glamour model in Las Vegas in February 2010. They separated in January 2011. Alex sued his ex for breach of confidence, misuse of private information and breach of contract after she disclosed her pal's videos and photos of him performing a sex act. High Court Judge Mr. Justice Warby branded Katie's behavior persistent, flagrant, arrogant, high-handed and inexcusable. She was told to pay £25,000 in damages and £150,000 in costs. Reality TV star Alex said it had an impact on his career, adding, "She was saying the most disgusting things about me. It was affecting me working continually because people were laughing at me." Katie was married to Peter from 2005 to 2009, and they have Junior, 20, and Princess, 18. She has been in the spotlight recently around the launch of her eldest daughter's ITV show, The Princess Diaries. Her claim last week that Princess lives with her seemed to enrage Peter. Accusing his ex of repeated lies, he said, "Junior and Princess came into my care in 2018 and remained with me until adulthood." In 2019, the family courts issued a legally binding order to enforce this arrangement. He also reminded fans of court cases in 2011 and 2015, saying they showed Katie had made false claims. Yesterday a source said, Pete felt he had to do this for the sake of not only him, but his wife, Emily, Princess and Junior. He has received so many messages of support from people who are glad he has called such behavior out. In response, mum of 5 Katie, who also has son Harvey, 23, with football coach Dwight York, said, "I know I will always be seen as a sinner. That's fair. I allowed myself to fall into a reliance on drugs and alcohol. At times I was not the mother I should have been while I struggled with mental illness. I have been at times a poor friend, an awful sibling, and an untrustworthy partner. I've self-medicated, been unfaithful, damaged myself and those that I love." Princess, meanwhile, says Katie and Peter's feud does not trouble her, as she loves them both. When a fan asked if she was affected by her parents not getting on, she replied, "To be honest, it doesn't. At the end of the day, they broke up when I was 2 years old, so I don't even have any memory of them being together." She added, "I love my mum and dad and that's all that matters." Katie has claimed she was banned from Princess's 18th birthday party filmed for her show and that her daughter's management team thought she was trash. A source said Katie was not banned but had missed the party due to being abroad. Sky did not respond to a request for comment.